One thing is to install it, the other thing is to sell it. And then thirdly, how to create a business around it. Whether you are an installer, like a window tinter, a vinyl wrap installer, a technician of any kind, and you wanna learn the art of smart film, then iTints Technologies is perfect for you. I'd like to ask this question. How much money do you wanna make with smart film?
We all like to make money, but my biggest goal is to be able to enter the field, but still do what I'm good at. This is it. It's doing commercial, residential, and doing smart film. And now I'm still in the industry, but I'm unique to the industry because what we do is hard to do. Not everybody's gonna do it.
Exactly.
It looks cool. It looks easy. I'm sure you got contractors in there. They're probably watching you. They're like, look, he's charging 20 grand.
Yeah. Look, right now I just finished a house in Palm Island, right? And the house had like, I don't know, like 200 windows. Out of those, we first started with the gym, right? We did the smart from the gym. We ended up doing the entire spa. We got into the master bathroom. And at the end of the day, they ended up doing smart film and solar film on the entire house. Bro, that's literally been my biggest project to date. And it's actually in our iTints Academy. You can actually see the module of us working on that, right? It's a dealer module in the iTints Academy. So man, you gotta definitely check out the videos. It's gonna give you a better concept of the business. And going back to this, look, the way I programmed and put this, this entire business in a box is so that your investment is first and foremost the most important part, knowledge. Without the knowledge of the business and the knowledge of how to do installations, don't even get into this, you get me? And then with knowledge of, hey, how you pair it with solar film and smart film in these areas, you're going in there with the confidence to get them on the entire house and come out of there with 20 stacks. The beginner comes with a DIY kit so you can actually learn literally what we taught you in our training program and you apply it. That is included in your kit, right? You send me a measurement of your windows. It has to be at least 20 square feet, no more than that, right? So hopefully, you get those windows or doors installed because that other window that's just huge. Most homes have sliding and swing doors. That's like number one, without a doubt. You get me? Aside from fixed, there's more fixed than anything, but you got your sliders. I mean, in square feet, you're gonna have more in sliding doors and swing doors than you're gonna have in fixed windows. But there's more fixed windows in a house, but they're smaller, if that makes sense, right? And that's where my strategies on how to sell to them, how to present different options, how to just do a couple of windows. And because the clients, you know what they love to do? Oh yeah, give me a quote for the entire house. This is where my years of experience of not letting a client go is like, okay, cool, you know what? Let's start with one window. Hey, let's just do this, or let's just do that. Hey, what's your most important area? Oh, it's your bathroom. Okay, let's start with the bathroom. Once you love it, you see it, you like it, go for the rest of the windows. You get me? And he already knows the price. So whenever he calls you again, it's to do X amount of windows. You ain't selling, you're closing. I'm gonna give you the catalogs. I'm gonna give you the price sheets. I'm gonna give you all the PDFs on how to quote a project. You're gonna resell it, so you gotta know how much a project's gonna cost, right? And you're gonna know how to do your markup, in other words, right? So hey, look, okay, this is what the hardware is. This is what it's gonna cost. I give you even guidance on how much you charge. You get me? And you can always tag me in, bro. You tag team me in. Hey, this is my iTints representative here in South Florida. He's gonna give you more information on this product, and I help you close the project. At the end of the day, we both win. Literally, you've been patient, bro. You've been there. I know you're a one-man team. That day that you come for the training, right? We give you that lunch and learn on how to sell it. We give you the information. That way, when you leave here, you know how to install it. You know how to sell it. This is my homework to you. Go out. Do a little prospecting, right? Show it to the window guy if you haven't shown it to him yet. Go to 2 or 3 window companies down there. Tell them what you do and get some feedback. You're gonna see that the problem that you're gonna have is like, hey, give me an estimate, give me a quote. And if they pull the trigger, you're like, okay, what do I do now? So, and this is the things that we teach you so that you understand how to make the process of installation of a smart film easy. You get me? And you get them from the beginning. So like when I work with construction companies, right? And I work with window companies, they already included in their bid. You get me? That's the reseller program. They know how to sell it. Their project says they send me the window schedule, they send me the pictures, and then we quote it out. They lock in, the project, we get our deposit, we go out there and we tell their team, which is usually the construction team, on how to run the wiring. All right, I need my wire drop here. This door swings this way. I need my wire drop on the swing side, things of that nature. You get me?
Yeah.
And that's a perfect way because at the end of the day, these are the biggest projects. My goal with all my cadets is you don't have to drop the price. Even though that you are in the learning phase, my goal is bro, you're actually investing into learning something.
Yeah.
Whether it is like
Yeah.
the person that goes and wants to learn how to do window tint, right? They could learn how to do it themselves, or they could go to one of those schools here in Jacksonville or in Miami. The goal is to give you the confidence and the knowledge so that when you do go present yourself to any client, you're telling them exactly how much it's going to charge them, and you tell them exactly how smart film works and everything behind it. You get me?
Okay.
That's the knowledge of the reselling side, the product knowledge and the selling knowledge. It's almost like half and half. Why? Because yes, you can go with the reseller, subcontract me, but what happens when you don't have the minimum requirement? You get me? It's like, are you gonna leave that on the table, and or do you really wanna get properly trained to get that installed correctly? Order your Authorized Dealer Demo Kit. It gives you access to get on a one-to-one consultation call with me. We discuss business, we discuss logistics, we discuss execution, and most importantly, training. iTints Academy, it's a world's first and only full ecosystem designed to teach anyone how to properly install smart film. So if you're ready to step into the future, hit the link below and join iTints.